So let's talk about Ethereum. Today was a good day for Ethereum. After a while, Ethereum moved up almost 8% or 9%. Right now it's sitting at 2682 and Ethereum is still ranging, believe it or not. I'll show you the picture of it. We discussed this last time as well. Last time, let me check when was the last Ethereum update. While I search for it, can you let me know in the comments what do you think about Ethereum? Do you think this is going to go and hit $10,000 this year, or you think that all those purchases that are happening in ETF, BlackRock did $500 million worth of Ethereum buying, or is it just sham? Okay, last time we talked about this thing on 8th of June. Today is 10th of June, so it's only been 2 days. Not much has changed. But one thing that is interesting about Ethereum is this overall box. I shared the range of this thing, which is a bit below 2400, but I call it 2400 to 2750. This is the area where Ethereum ranges. It goes up, then it goes down, then it goes up, then it goes down, and it pretty much continued to do this. And this is your today's case scenario where it went up towards the higher area. And of course right now, and when I say higher area, let me see what was the highest point that it achieved today. It was 2727, so 2700. And of course our top area is 2750. That was the target for Ethereum on the upper range, and of course for the below range it is 2400. Like I said before in the 8th of June video, I am going to say the same thing. For Ethereum to have a direction, it needs to break out of this overall ranging movement. And of course, for breaking towards any direction, whether it is downward or upward, we need 2 daily candles closing above or below that area. So of course, in this case scenario, we are looking for a breakout towards the top. So it needs to break above 2750, form 2 daily candles with the bodies above it. Then I can say Ethereum has started the upward journey, and of course $3,000 will be the target. But if it is not able to do that, then of course it will drop back down towards the area of 2400, and that is not something that I'm concerned about. I'll be more concerned about the 2500 area. It doesn't need to close below 2400 2 daily candles. I think losing 2500, which is the psychological support, is more than enough to confirm that okay, the overall faith and trust of people in Ethereum's upward journey is going to break, and we will drop towards 2200, then 2000, and of course I'll come back and I'll share the overall thing for Ethereum with you. Right now it hasn't even bothered touching 2750. Forget about closing 2 daily candles above it, and we haven't seen daily candles closing above 2750 ever anyway. And that's it. There is nothing else to add. Until and unless we don't get confirmation, there is no direction. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.